replace the DeLonghi Magnifica EVO coffee machine water softener or water filter. So what happens is you get that red light. Let's see if I can show you this little thing right here. That's stays on red when you need to change your water filter or water softener. So I went ahead and followed the other videos and replaced that with this. I just got this one on Amazon. It works fine. Yeah, so the buttons look different on all the other videos. So this is mine. This is a newer edition. This is 2024. So I got this probably a year ago or so. And the buttons look different, so I couldn't figure it out. And the instruction manual is off. So these are the settings that you would use to change the water filter or the water softener. First, I clicked on this button or pressed this button for 5 seconds. Then I pressed clean. And then I just pressed clean again. That activated the hot water spigot. So you want to make sure this is on first. Hot water comes out here. If this is a regular size coffee cup, it does overflow, but it just kind of spilled into the spill tank here. So I didn't care. Wasn't a whole lot more. So if you got a bigger glass or a bigger coffee cup, go ahead and use that. Really appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button to help others find this video easier, since I could not find it. And I'll put any links in the description if there should be a link. Maybe I'll put a link to this water filter replacement that I got on Amazon. It's just as good. It's not going to do anything or harm your machine. So I just went with this one. It looks like it came with two. I think it came with two of these filters, and I've been using them for a while. So thanks for watching.